So if you want a quick way to mark or measure distance and navigate yourself to any specific location on the go, the Waypoint feature on Apple Watch 11 has it covered. So let's see how to enable and use it. To set up Waypoint, first you're going to make sure you're right at the location where you want to mark the specific point. After that, press on your watch crown, go to the Compass app, and then tap on the location icon at the bottom left corner. So first of all, you can tap on here and name the location so you can recognize it easily. And then you can just go through all this list of icons and symbols to select anything depending whether it's a parking space, a park, a building, restaurant, or just a random spot you visit frequently. You can also keep scrolling down and select the color in case you got multiple waypoints. And then lastly, scroll down and you will see it's showing this location in this tiny map. And also make sure waypoints option is turned on. And lastly, to save it, just hit this tick sign. So if you want to navigate yourself to any saved waypoint, just tap on the compass screen. You can see how many saved waypoints are there. And if you tap on any specific waypoint, you can navigate yourself to that specific point, following just the directions appeared on the compass. Thanks for watching.